grow old with you.
Good morning again! Diba tayo? May nakatapon ng cereal dito kaya nagliligpit siya. And, what are you having? Say good morning to Handsome.
Good morning.
Do you want to tell us what you're doing?
Eating this one.
What's that?
Coconut
With?
milk.
With milk. Okay.
And
Ang dali na. Ginagawa talagang tambol yung pisngi ko eh.
You want to go to college? I'm ready for school. Mommy, you can show your teacher's favorites.
You want to go to school?
You
Do you want to go to school? Which school? Do you want to go to school in Kids Club?
I'm school.
You want to go there too? Do you want the school where Teacher Feliz is?
Go to school.
How about Teacher Feliz? You like Teacher Feliz?
Aww. No.
Do you want to go to Lily School too?
No.
May tuwan-tawang bata doon. What do you think? Nakatawang up.
Lily school.
Ha?
Lily school.
Lily School lang? Why?
Because I didn't go to Lily school before.
You did. But you didn't go to the classroom. You didn't meet the teachers.
Mommy, I need uniform too.
Huh?
You won't have to go to two places. You just have to go to one.
Yeah. You want uniform too?
Yeah.
Aww, baby.
Yeah.
We will see. We will check if we can go, okay?
Yeah.
Hari tayo dyan. Gusto na rin niya doon mag-school. Anyway, may dalawang salang pa ako ng labahan. Actually, tatlo kasi gusto ko na rin laban yung mga bedsheets. Kaya lang makulimlim na naman. The past few weeks, sobrang init, diba? Pero ngayon makulimlim na. So, namimiss ko yung init pag maglalaba. Pag maglalaba lang. At saka sayang kasi, talagang sinadya talaga naman ng panahon. Makulimlim. Ganit ng ang days na maglalaba ako. So, habang naglalaba tayo, muna ako ng floor. Uy! Hindi ka ba na-charge? Ayan. Iangat ko lang tong ating mga kurtina kasi siya, kakainin ng vacuum. Yung kurtina ko dito, guys, itong makahaba, galing pa to sa Dubai. Meron pa ako sa taas na gray. Ginagamit namin sa bedroom. I got this from IKEA sa Dubai. Gusto ko sana same curtains kasi medyo mataas yung ceiling natin dito. So, humanap ako. And then I found out na kahit yung kaparehas na tela or style sa IKEA dito sa Pilipinas, hindi pala siya kasing haba nung curtains sa IKEA sa Dubai. So, ganito yung standard nila sa IKEA dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. So, hindi siya sumasayad sa floor. Unlike this one, na talagang sobrang mahabang-mahaba siya. Gusto ko sana ganun kahaba, tapos ipapakat ko na lang, ipapaputol. So, for now, ayan muna tayo. Ito naman, sa IKEA ko siya dito sa Pilipinas nabili. Siya, blackout curtain siya. 690 pesos lang to. Ganyan. Compared sa, dito sa gray, 2,990 ata. Parang ganon. For one pair. So, mas mahal siya. Pero maganda kasi siya talaga. Although, it's not blackout, no? Hindi siya blackout. Tapos, madali siyang laban. Hindi pa nga lang yan siya na steam or napaplansya. Kasi, nung nilagay ko siya, basta lang matakpan yung mga windows. Kasi, nga siya, guys? Mainit. Mainit. Ayun, lumabas na yung araw. Kung kailan naman tayo nag-angat ng kortina. Mag-mop muna ako. Ay, teka, wala pa palang tubig. Mag-vacuum mop muna tayo dahil nakatapon si ate dito ng cereal. Lily, there's one more, oh. Over there. Yeah, check. Under the stove. Ang cute-cute na AA. Natutuwa ako. I don't know if you guys notice yung difference na ngayon na nakikipag-usap siya. Mag-conversant na siya compare sa before. Which is dun sa pinapasukan niya summer camp. Sabi ng teacher, hindi po pala siya conversant, no? Hindi pa siya conversant. Sabi ko, actually conversant siya. Kaya lang namimili siya ng kausap. Kapag hindi ka pa niya kilala, ganun lang yan pag ayaw niya makipag-usap. Pero kapag nakasanayan ka na yan, kakausapin, madaldal yan. Sobra. Sobrang madaldal siya sa auntie niya, sa akin, sa mga therapist niya. Kaya sabi ko din, it's so important na yung maging, kumbaga, mag-settle kami dito where they can grow up in the same place, be around the same people. That way, wala na siya masyadong adjustment. Hopefully, makapasok siya sa school where he can, parang continue dun yung pag-school niya. I have a lot of faith na everything is gonna be alright. So, ayun. Kailangan niya ng kailangan familiar siya sa lahat ng bagay-bagay. Okay. Anyway. Nag-start na rin ako magbigay ng konting chores kay ate. Kasi lagi niya sinasabi, I'm bored, mommy. I'm bored. So, yung mga chores lang naman niya, pag nagising siya, make your bed. Ayan, that way maging responsible din siya. Make your bed. Or pag kumain ka, wash your dishes. Kasi yung, lalo na kung yung kinain lang naman niya, cereal, sabon, hindi naman yan malansa, hindi naman siya kailangan ng sobrang hugas. It's my jacket. Can I borrow?
It's not your jacket.
I want one too.
You can borrow mine later.
Okay. I have to wash the dishes. Excited.
Okay, first, get the sponge, hold the sponge, and then put water. Aiden, put water in the sponge.
Good job, ate.
Aiden, and now get the soap.
Put soap in the yellow.
Put the soap on the yellow. That's it, all done. There. And then get it, and then squeeze it. There.
Use the green.
Green over there.
Very good. Now you use it to wash. Grab the bottom too.
And then scrub these ones too. Good job.
Grab the spoon.
And then rinse it. Rinse the bubble out. Good. Also hold the bottom. And now, there it is. Scrub the spoon.
Well done. Now again, you have to sing for me.
Sing my bye, sing my bye, sing my bye.
Again. You have to sing for me again.
Sing my bye, sing my bye, sing my bye.
Sigma boy, ah. Who's the Sigma boy?
Aiden.
What? Dali, magluluto ako. Hello. Nagluluto yung kid na. Nagluluto.
Sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy.
Magluluto tayo ng sopas.
Sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy.
Kulit mo? Take me one magic of the world and the fantastic point of view. Are you dancing, Lils?
No. I got on camera.
Dreaming a whole new world.
No! This is a story. Mommy, this is a story from the bear book.
Yeah. It's crystal clear.
Don't sing, Mommy.
Okay. Bawal mag-sing. Naluto na natin yung ating sopas. Ang sinahog ko lang guys, buto-buto. Tapos 3 piraso lang to. Natira lang siya dun sa sinigang natin na nakaraan. And naglagay akong gatas. Usually hindi ako naglalagay ng gatas, but this time nilagyan ko kasi since pork yung hinalo ko, yung flavor niya, nalasahan mo yung yung lasa ng pork, which is hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan ng mga kids. So nilagyan ko ng gatas para mas may creaminess, medyo matalo niya yung grease nung na lasa ng buto-buto. So tinry ko na siya. So far, it's good. Pero, kalalagay ko lang kasi ng cabbage. So, lutuin pa natin siya ng very, very light. Natira pa akong cabbage dito. Not sure kung saan ko siya iluluto. But, yan. What you doing there? It's still hot. Nakita niyo yung, sopas. Alam na natin, magugustuhan niya to. Kasi, nakita niya pa lang, nilapag ko. Masyado. Come on, it's time to go. You ready?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Aiden.
Diyos ko, tsura ng buhok ko. So, meron kami nahanap dito na parang print. No, not there. Lily. What are you gonna do in handyman? Ayan. Come on, baba. Where are you going?
I was joking.
Summer camp.
The summer camp.
With the
You're gonna play
handyman
with?
thing, I was joking.
You're gonna play with?
No, I'm going to show what brown bear, polar bear, panda bear with teacher this.
Not Teacher Trish. This is not Teacher Trish. Teacher Trish is for Friday. Okay? You can show it to Teacher Trish on Friday. But today, we're going to Kids Club.
And you can show the brown bear, polar bear, panda bear, teacher.
Yeah. So, para siyang, preschool class. Pero on summer. We'll wait for you. I promise. Kiss. Love you. So, this is Aiden's. Parang ang 3rd na ba? 2, 3. Hindi, pang 4th. This is Aiden's 4th session. So, I think, lang yung, session nila. Parang 10 or 9. And then, re-enroll mo ulit siya. Parang gano'n. Go inside na. So, Aiden goes here. Meron silang play area. Parang free play for 30 minutes bago mag-start yung class. Wow! Wow! Boo! Oh my! Oh my! Whoa! Say sorry!
Wait.
You wanna bring your books?
Okay, let's line up. Think we're all here. Are you ready to get inside? Yes. Can we walk slowly? Let's go now. Let's get inside. Follow teacher. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly.
Na-drop off na namin si Aiden. So now it's Lily time. It's raining na. So where do you wanna go?
Time zone.
Time zone.
So happy.
Let's go!
Oh my god. Why did they have wow, look at this.
It's an arrow. You wanna play?
Oh my god, they're so heavy.
Lily's turn.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Careful ah. Go like this. You can go all the way to that line. Ready?
Oh my God.
Go more. It's okay.
How do you do that?
Make sure that when you slide like this, you don't go turn. You go straight. And you go very slowly. Wait, mommy's turn pa. I have one more.
I think she's gonna get us.
Your turn. If you're turning that way, you have to twist your body like this and then that. Yeah. And just be gentle. You don't have to rush. Take your time. That's a bit better. That's fine.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I got a strike!
High five. Is that fun? What's next? Last one.
That's not fair! That's the start of Lily and Mommy go to time.
Time zone.
And we will come back again.
Did you have fun?
Aiden's going. Oh wait.
He's getting his bag. I think it's that he's going. See, they're going up. Aiden's going that way.
Let's go quickly.
Yay! Did you have fun? What did you do? Show Ate Lily. Your work.
Body parts bingo.
Show Ate.
I have a stump.
Say,
Stump!
you say you. What does your stump say?
Perfect.
Perfect. Yes. Oh, come on. Let's get our frozen yogurt. High five again.
And let's go to park.
Let's go. I'm so happy. Are you happy? Are you happy, Ate?
No, it's just you have fun.
Oh, I had fun. Did you have fun, Aiden? Aiden? In school? Wow. There is this sports sana na puntahan namin today, kaya lang nagsabay yung summer camp ni Aiden at saka yung sports for him. Parang ano siya, pang bata, pang toddler and bata kid, or smaller kids na mini sports for them, parang exercise na rin at the same time, 1 hour ata, 1 hour and a half. So, with that one, dapat nakaschedule today, kaya na-cancel. So, hopefully, by next week or the week before, makapag, siya, trial for that before magpasukan. There's also 2 schools na we're trying to consider applying for Aiden. That way, kumbaga, yun siya, more on school preparedness. So, age ni Aiden ngayon. He is 4 years old. So, pwede na siya for pre-K. Hindi pa naman daw kasama yung pre-K sa K-12. But, parang, I think it's very important na maipasok sa pre-K si Aiden. That way, ready siya pagdating ng kinder. Kesa sa, ay, naman importante, ganito na lang, ganyan na lang. Pag nag-ganito age na lang siya. Kasi with him, mas maganda na ahead tayo sa pagpaprepare sa kanya. That way, he has more time to adjust. He has more time to be social. What did you guys do to my wall?
We can hose it off.
Well, we better. Ano ginawa nila sa wall natin? What you guys did to my wall?
Mommy, help me.
We can only do the top bit.
Okay, that's fine.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.